What's the meaning of consecrate? Consecrate. Consecrate.
Consecrate. Consecrate. The word consecrate means to declare or dedicate something as sacred or holy. This act is often carried out by a religious authority or figure to mark the importance of the item or space being consecrated. The result of consecration is imbuing the object or area with a special significance or divine connection. Consecrated objects or spaces are considered to be set apart from ordinary life and may be treated with greater respect or reverence. This act of consecration can also inspire feelings of awe and spirituality in those who witness it or make use of the consecrated item.